I'm sorry, bro. If you don't know this one, I'm sorry if you don't know this one. I said you. Body mass is always necessary for mathematics. If you don't know, you must be learn. You must be to learn, brother, sister. B stand for bracket, D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. It is important for mathematics because if you get different, you do by this method. Thank you. Comment.